Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today I will be unboxing the RAVPower 5000mAh magnetic wireless power bank. This is a very compact power bank designed especially with the iPhone 12 series in mind. So it's a power bank that can be attached to the backside of your iPhone 12. And as you can see from the box, it's very narrow, and I can tell as well that it's a very light power bank just from holding the box without even opening it. But let's open the box and have a look inside and see what we got. So as you can see, the box contains two smaller departments, one of which is the power bank and one is the charging cable. So let's take them out. Here is the charging cable. So, and here we have the power bank and some instruction manual. Okay, let's have a look at the power bank and see what it's like. As you can see, this is a very small power bank with the RAVPower logo prominently shown on top of it. And next to the RAVPower logo, we have the charging lights, which will tell you how much power the power bank currently has. And next to the lights, we have the USB Type-C charging port. And on the backside of the power bank, we have the wireless charging area. As you can see, it's very narrow power bank, and I can tell you that it's also very light. And as I mentioned before, this is designed to be attached to the backside of your iPhone 12 smartphone. However, you should note that this works well with the regular iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro and the Pro Max, but it's a little bit too large for the mini iPhone 12. If you have iPhone 12 mini, then this will not fit your phone exactly as it would the other types of phone. So please keep this in mind before ordering. And now let's go into the specs of this device. So if we were to look at the backside of the power bank, we would see the main features of the product listed here. And you can see that the battery capacity is 5000 mAh, but rated capacity is 3000 mAh. This rated capacity is actually the real capacity that you can actually use. And this is true for any power bank that you would buy. There are two different values, one of them which is the capacity that is listed on the product box, and the real capacity which is always smaller. And this is smaller because of inefficiencies during the charging process, which leads to some energy being lost along the way. So you can expect from this power bank a maximum of 3000 mAh of power that can be used to charge your phone. This translates into charging your iPhone 12 around 0.8 to 1 times extra. And now looking at the power output which this power bank is capable of, we can see that the wireless power output is 7.5 watts, while the USB Type-C output is 10 watts. So comparing these values to other power banks that you can find on the market, they are pretty low, because there are power banks that can charge wirelessly with up to 15 watts of power, or using the USB Type-C port with up to 60 watts of power, or even more, 100 watts of power. But those power banks are generally much heavier and much bulkier. Given its compact size for a power bank that can fit on the backside of an iPhone 12, these power outputs are actually quite good. So if you were to compare this power bank with its competitors designed for the iPhone 12, you would see that this power bank actually provides more power. The usual wireless charging output of its competitors is 5 watts. However, this one can charge with up to 7.5 watts, which is 50% more. So you shouldn't expect ultra fast charging times from this power bank. This power bank was designed just to provide a regular charge. You shouldn't get this power bank also for its high capacity, because it doesn't have a high capacity. What this power bank is designed for is to be ultra portable, is to be easily attached to the backside of an iPhone 12 and easily carried around in your pocket or in your purse without even noticing that it's there. This is the main reason you should buy this power bank for. That being said, you should also note that you can expect to charge the power bank in about 3 hours time, because it doesn't have a high capacity. It means that it doesn't take too much time to charge. And another thing you should be aware of is the fact that it also has pass-through charging, which means that you can charge the power bank via the USB Type-C port and in the same time charge your phone wirelessly with it. So all in all, I believe that RAVPower did a good job with this power bank considering what it was designed for. Once again, this power bank was created especially for the iPhone 12 series. If you're an iPhone 12 owner and you want something highly light and portable that can be easily attached to the backside of your phone, you should definitely consider getting this power bank. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time. Bye bye.